start a new tutorial how to draw ellipse on a simple image. Suppose that I have a image. This image is Madhuri Dikshit. I want to draw a ellipse on this image. Okay. Then first I want to discuss about my channel. It is my channel Robotics for United India. Okay, in this channel many types of video and regarding deep learning, OpenCV tutorials and some important project. You can click project list. You can saw different video of my channels and different project like deep learning project, emotion detection, human action recognition and OLO using object detections and some landline detections. So don't waste time and I am going to start my main topic, how to draw ellipse on a simple image. So I jump on Jupyter notebook. So it is my Jupyter notebook. First I import CV2 and take a variable of path which represented the path in JPG format Madhuri. Now second, use imread function and paste here img underscore path. This link is paste here. Now if I want to resize of image, use cv2 dot resize command for resizing the image and size of image in form of RNC row and column. You can change of size of image here. Okay, now I want to draw ellipse on a image. So center of ellipse is here 500 and 230. Now axis of image is 100 into 200 and now angle of angle at 30 degree. Now a start angle 0 degree, from 0 degree to 30 degree. Now end angle is 360 degree. A start angle 0 degree and end angle 360 degree and color in RGB format. Now thickness is 4. Now it is a some function of ellipse present img image, center, axis, angle, start angle, end angle, color and thickness and line type. Now here this is a command of image cv2 ellipse. Now it is a image underscore resize. It is a path image under resize. Paste here first now center coordinate, axis, angle, start angle, end angle, color, thickness, all are given above here. Okay, now for showing this image, use cv2 dot imsaw model's name. It is name of image img underscore resize. Paste here from the size of image. Now for use cv2 weight key 0 k is capital and last cv2 dot destroy all window where a is w are in capital letters. Okay, now don't waste time and I click on shift plus enter button for execution and it is a ellipse. Okay, it is a ellipse of image on this images. If you want to shift this image, then you can change its center and its all value. Now if I want to change, then I use change its center value. Suppose center value 590 and it's 370. Now shift plus enter. Now value is position is change ellipse. It is shifted by 30 degree and 0 to 360 means it is a complete path. It is a complete path, complete circle. It is a ellipse. Okay, if you want to delete these images, then you can click on any button of your local system. I click on Q button, then click. Next I want to use fill the ellipse, then use thickness is equal to -1. Okay, if you want to fill the, then use thickness is equal to -1, simple, and all parameter will be same. Now again click shift plus enter, it is a filled version. Okay, ellipse is filled. Now next, if I want to change its axis, now I use shift plus enter. This cut some part. Okay, some part is cutting of ellipse. If I want to cutting some part, then I use angle 30 degree, straight angle 100, and end angle 360 degree, means 0 to 60 degree is absent, है ना. Here start from 100 to 360 degree, the 0 to 100 degree is not available in this part. Okay, if you want to take full, now a start angle will be 0. Here if a start angle will be 0, then click plus enter, present full part, full filling. Okay, now next you can use, here it is a path of images. Okay, it is a path of images, it is very important. Now it is a straight line 100, angle itna is, thickness is -1 for fillet, complete fillet. Now use shift plus enter, it is a cutting part. Now next 160 degree thickness is, I want to increase the thickness of ellipse, then I use here, it is a thickness is increases, then it is 0 degree to 100 degree is not connected. Okay, because it start from 100 degree. Okay, now here it is start from 100, start angle 100 and end angle 360. Okay, next I want to put some text on images, then ellipse and text. I want to put some text, then thickness is equal to 5. Here you can change thickness, and for put use some image, write some text, org, front face, font scale, color, thickness, etc. You can use here model, supported image underscore resize. For putting this text on image, use cvt dot put text command. In this case, T is in always capital letter here. Okay, T is always capital letter. Model smiles is the name of images. Now it is text size, text prompt history, a script simple, and 2 it is color of text. Okay, now for use cv2 I am saw model image and image resize, cv2 dot wet key where k is always in capital letter, and cv2 dot destroy all window, here a and w are in capital letters. Now again I click shift and enter button, so click here, it is a circle, some part is description and model a smile, here writing model a smiles. I click on Q button for deleting, and I want to writing some other names, model a smile. I want to write here MADHURI Madhuri. Then I want to color change, this is color change Madhuri, and this is a text of, it is disconnected here. If you want to from start angle, you can change a start angle 0 and end angle 340. Now use 360. you can saw complete ellipse. Okay, you can saw here complete ellipse. Okay, it is complete ellipse. If you want to change the color of ellipse, then you can change this color value here, color value. Okay, I want to change its value. Suppose it shift color enter, then its value is changed, color value will be changed. Okay, so if you like this video, then you write comment. If you have any problem, then you can write on my comment, so I make new video for you. Okay, so thank you all of you.